Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to make this video as short as possible. I'm going to use this video to address a very common question I get asked from my viewers. Someone asked me last time, why do I use gloves when I'm formulating? Like, is it essential? Can I use my bare hand if I don't have a glove? Here is the thing, I'm so addicted to using gloves, and you ask me why. As a great formulator, okay, you have to make sure you wear gloves to prevent contamination. It's very easy for your skincare product, your cream, your lotion and the rest to get contaminated if you don't have gloves on. So make sure you get used to using your gloves. It's very important because it's going to help you prevent contamination. And you ask me, okay, what type of glove can I wear? As long as your glove is, you are comfortable in your hand, you can wear either this natural glove that I have, or you can wear this type also. Any glove that you have that's going to prevent your hand from reaching inside whatever you are making, it's what you should wear. So please, my friend, get used to wearing gloves. And also, if you are using any if you are working with any powder, okay, we're still going to get there on this channel. If you're working with any powder, maybe you're making shampoo or so, make sure you have your face mask on. Just any face mask that will prevent the powder from getting to your nose. Because, you know, when formulating natural skincare product, oftentimes we get carried away and think, oh, it's just natural, it won't hurt me. You have to make sure you protect your nose. It's very important, because for instance, if you're working with I think latanol, right? This powder that we use to make liquid shampoo or solid shampoo, right? Keep in mind this powder is very toxic. I'm still going to bring that powder up. When you're working with any powder whatsoever, make sure you have your face mask on. It's very important. It's going to protect you. And also, when you're working with essential oils, okay, essential oils are powdered, are liquid concentrate. Even though it's natural, right? Essential oil can really easily get into your lung. It can really affect you. So when working with essential oil, I really recommend that you make sure you protect, you protect your nose. Make sure you wear your face, nose mask, okay, when you working with essential oil. So today I talked about wearing your gloves. This is very important to prevent contamination, because when you hold your product with bare hand, for instance, bare hand that is, contaminated, chances are it's going to get into your skincare product, and it's going to might contaminate your skincare product. Sometimes the contamination might even affect, you can think, okay, what's the function of a preservative? No. For good manufacturing practices, you have to protect your hand. You have to wear protective clothing. I mean, if you're making on a larger scale, protective clothing, make sure where you are using is clean enough. But please, the essence of this video is to make sure wear your gloves. It's very important to protect your skincare product from getting, whether you are using it for yourself or you are selling it to the public, just get used to it. It doesn't hurt to use your gloves. And also protect your own self when working with essential oil, that you use your nose mask. I hope this has settled the question that I get asked a lot. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to disperse xanthan gum using hand blender. I'm going to tell you why I have to do that, to clear some misconception. If you want to learn more about skincare product, the best practices, and how to make stable safe skincare product, this is the channel for you. So click the subscribe button, click the notification icon to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, everyone.